Welcome to Bytes, the video version of Arcadia's newsletter. The healthcare industry is generating an unprecedented amount of data. The average hospital produces 137 terabytes per day. Sifting through this information to make time-sensitive decisions around complex populations is a big task. In the words of Jaws Quint, you're gonna need a bigger boat. The bigger boat in healthcare is sophisticated data analytics that reveal opportunities and future-proof your organization. We've gathered some timely resources to help healthcare innovators care for those in need, manage cost concerns, and navigate transitions, no matter how complex. We've got a link below if you'd like to view the written version. Now, let's get started. The marriage of risk and quality. When it comes to complex populations, like special needs or dual-eligible Medicare and Medicaid patients, risk and quality efforts should go hand in hand. Learn more about how Belong Health drove growth with this two-pronged approach.
And we've had some massive success in the last year. We've increased our annual wellness visit rates in our population by over 122% from a previous year. And that's driven a significant number of underlying business performance across many of those three angles on that triangle slide. Starting with growth, we've had a vastly different experience in AEP, more than doubling our membership year over year that joins our health plan.
Life in the fast lane. It's a fine line between fast implementation and effective implementation. But with the right tips, tricks, and guardrails in place, it's one you can walk. Here, VP of Implementation and Customer Success, Casey Carroll, provides pointers.
Think about taking on an implementation of this scope, I really just sort of think of it in two different pillars, sort of the strategic planning aspect of the implementation, as well as the data aspect of the implementation. So when we talk about strategic planning, making sure folks are sort of aligned around why it is that you're even looking to invest in a technology platform, and then you're not going to be successful in your implementation if you don't have the data to sort of create that underlying foundation. So do you have access to that data?
Complex populations, simplified solutions. Care management programs are a critical tool for improving the health of complex populations. But they're comprised of lots of moving parts, from necessary data workflows to setting and measuring KPIs. Read more about Arcadia's CCM Impact Score and learn how to wield a data analytics tool in service of excellent, organized care management. Again, you could find the link down below. And lastly, big data requires big tools. When 7 in 10 healthcare organizations say other strategic priorities are preventing them from investing in data analytics, it's time to look ahead. With an average of 50 petabytes per year, here's how US hospitals can wrangle their data and reap insights that improve quality.
So the more you can have your data in one place, the more you can stitch the various components together. So for instance, if I have my value-based care platform and I have all my claims data in one place and I have my referral optimization platform in the same place, I can leverage those two data sources together to build out preferred provider networks and see how good I am at steering care towards those preferred provider networks without having to cross multiple systems. The other piece too is consistency. Once your data is in one place, once your data is combined together, you can build clear, cohesive KPIs off of that and know that your organization is looking at one source of truth as opposed to multiple disagreeing sources of truth.
And that wraps up this edition of Bytes video version. Check the description of this video again to see further reading and resources. You can also sign up for Bytes to receive this content in newsletter form, straight to your inbox. To see more of how you can harness the power of data and analytics to drive healthcare innovation, request a demo of Arcadia's powerful data platform. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next edition.